Hey guys, what is up? I am David, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished you could just snap your fingers and have an entire team of professionals handle your business for you? We all know that ChatGPT is great for giving you words, but it does not actually do the heavy lifting. That is all changing today, because we are looking at something completely different. Before we dive deep into this game-changing software, I have a quick and very important announcement for you. If you want to see the full details, make sure you check out the link in the description box below right now. That link will take you to my complete written review article, where I break down all the optional upgrades and the hidden discount offers. I also have the details on the exclusive all-in-one bundle deal, which can save you a ton of cash. On top of that, I have put together a massive package of special bonuses that cover different areas of digital marketing. So go ahead, click that link below, and lock in those rewards while they are still available. Now, let us talk about what Claw Agents AI actually is. This is being called the world's very first OpenClaw-powered artificial intelligence app. While other tools just give you paragraphs of words, this platform gives you actual workers, and the best part is that you can deploy unlimited ones. It sets up a central hub where you can command these virtual employees using the messaging apps like Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord. These digital assistants come loaded with over 250 different skills, and they can handle almost any business task from your phone or computer. So, what can this workforce actually do for you? These digital workers can instantly write engaging social media posts, promotional emails, and high-converting marketing copy. They will also find hot sales leads, launch outreach campaigns, handle your customer support, and organize your daily workflows. They can even write computer code and optimize your website rankings. It is literally like having an entire marketing agency in your pocket, working for you 24/7. To see exactly how this works in real time, I want to take you inside the dashboard for a quick walkthrough. Let us jump right over to the screen so you can witness these AI employees in action.
Hello everyone, this is Yogesh Agarwal, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the most powerful AI agent on the planet, OpenClaw, doing everything for you, without any sort of technical expertise. You'll see simple prompts turn into powerful automations and results that actually land you real clients. And you'll see everything happen right in front of you, live. This is not just another AI agent app. This is a fully cloud-hosted OpenClaw platform designed specifically for beginners and for people who actually want to see results. You've seen OpenClaw, the top-rated AI agent on the planet, but to set it up, you need a dedicated server, and you have to deal with Docker and all that ninja stuff. Clearly not for ordinary people who just want to make money. So we handled everything for you. No technical knowledge needed. Just click and done. And I'm not just going to talk about it. I'll build a real agent and command it from Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, and the web interface right in front of you. A live OpenClaw agent doing everything for you from a single command on your phone. Let's go. So this is my dashboard. Here you can see everything you've done so far, all your agents, your account stats, and your chat sessions along with their status. Now let me quickly create an agent and show you the real power you've been waiting for. Click Create Agent from the dashboard. First step, give it a name, a face, and a purpose. I'll call mine Ria. Pick a color. Next, the description. This is where you tell her exactly how to behave. Then the model. You've got two ways to run this. The inbuilt LLM is built right in and completely free, and it's included with every bundle account, so you can start without spending a thing. Or if you'd rather use your own key, just add it on the settings page, and it shows up right here. My pick is the inbuilt LLM. It's free, and it's already paid for. Now step 2, and this is where your agent gets its real power, where it stops acting like a bot and starts getting real work done. On the left are the tools, more than a dozen built-in powers your agent can use. There's Website Scraper, which pulls content from any site, PDF Creator, Media Studio for images and media, a web browser that reads pages like a person, plus content tools, lead finder, and text-to-speech for natural voiceovers. Below that are the services your agent can plug into to get the job done. Want it to post on your WordPress site? Just connect it. Want to schedule emails? Connect Aweber. Want to send emails? Connect your Gmail, and much more. And you can always add your own because any app with an MCP server connects straight to your agents. On the right, pick a skill. Over 250 inbuilt skills across more than 50 categories, one skill per agent, and you can add your own right here too, just like the MCP servers. I'll give Ria the smart sales assistant, so the possibilities are infinite. Connect any app and automate anything. And once she's live, I'll show you all of it, for real. Now step 3, where will she live? Web chat is always on, so she's live on the web from the very start. And these are channels that I have connected with my account in settings. For this first agent, I'll put her on Telegram, so under select a channel, I pick my Telegram bot, KindClaw. Done. Now the last step, review. Here's everything I picked: my skill, my tools, my model, and my channels, web chat and Telegram, both active. It all looks perfect, so I'll hit launch. Validating your setup, verifying the channel, building the agent, wiring up your integrations, finalizing. Give it a few seconds, and she's ready. Ria is live on web chat and Telegram. Now I'll just click Open Telegram Bot, and it takes me straight to her, right inside Telegram. Let me show you the real power. You've heard me say it. You get a real open Claw Agents right in your phone, and you can operate it anywhere and anytime. This is Telegram app, same app used in my phone, and we're going to chat with same agent that we created. Agent we created in Claw Agents, living inside your phone. First step, type /start and it's ready. Now just watch what one message can do. Let me just give a real job to it, one that we do daily. Find the top 10 independent restaurants in Miami. Figure out which ones are barely posting. Build each one a full 365-day content calendar for Facebook, Instagram, and X. Drop it into a professional strategy PDF with my offer. Then email every one of them from my Gmail. One job instruction, the way you'd text a coworker. And here's the first thing to notice. It doesn't just start doing the work, it stops and thinks. It lays out its own 5-step plan, then asks the only 3 things it needs: my Gmail, my pricing, and how many to target. I tell it, $4.97 a month, focus the 3 least active, go. Now watch it work. It researches the live web, checks each restaurant's Instagram and X, and builds a ranked table of the top 10 with real follower counts and real post totals. Mila up top at 230,000, all the way down to Soya e Pomodoro at 6,300. It didn't make this up. It actually went to Google and scraped all results, analyzed them, and gave us here. Awesome, right? Now the real stuff. It acts like an expert marketing strategist and picks the 3 that need the most help: Soya e Pomodoro, Amelia's 1931, and Tinta Wire Cafe. Now, the toughest part. Finding the actual contact emails for all these restaurants. Our agent does it in a breeze. It goes to different sites and finds the exact working contact details. Then it creates a full 365-day calendar for each, 12 monthly themes across all 3 platforms, dropped into a beautiful design strategy PDF with my $4.97 a month offer. And now, this is where all the currently available agents in market stop working. Yes, they just stop here. But Claw Agents AI is different. It doesn't stop with just research. It actually sends all 3 emails, personalized, with our strategy PDF as attachment, straight from my Gmail. So, let me prove it to you. Let me open my Gmail, go to Sent Items, and show it to you. There they are, 3 proposals, all delivered. Awesome, right? Wow! This is what no other AI agent products do. And these aren't plain emails. Each one greets the chef by name, calls out their exact follower count, and attaches a gorgeous agency-grade proposal. This is what I call as real power. A real agent from Claw Agents, which no other agent can even try. They just stick to basic scraping and making ugly PDF. So think about what just happened. Our OpenClaw agent just created a Scarper agent, a researcher agent, a strategy agent, a copywriter agent, and an expert designer agent. 5 agents. Working together to finish your complete work in just minutes. And that too, from a single message from your phone. It handed you a service you can sell for $497 a month to every client on that list. That is not a chatbot. This is the real OpenClaw agent from Claw Agents doing a real work for you. That was outreach. Now, watch it build. Same agent, same chat, and I give it something completely different. Find the top 10 trending products on Amazon, compare them, pick the best one, and build me a premium, animated, high-converting sales page with my affiliate link. One message again. It makes a quick plan, asks my Amazon affiliate tag, I am going to give my tag, and I then go, and it goes to work. First, it pulls live trend data and ranks the 10 most searched products on Amazon. Real categories and real search volume. Then it fires our AI strategy agent, and it does the picks for you. It filters all the low revenue products and get you the best and high converting product. Now it has selected Fire TV Stick 4K Max, 400, and it has 17,000 searches a month. A low price point that makes it an easy impulsive buy, universal appeal, and a strong affiliate commission. The perfect product to promote, and it chose it on its own. Then it builds the whole thing. It creates images, high-converting content, then assembles a premium sales page from top to bottom. Look at this, an animated gradient hero with a floating product shot, a beautiful stats section, an intensive comparison table, top features of the product, a customer testimonial section, and a final call to action section, along with a FAQ section and a final CTA section. Every one of them wired with my affiliate tag. And then it published it, live, to a real web address. Wow, amazing, right? So look at this page one more time. The design, the copy, the comparison, the reviews, the checkout. You would pay a designer and a copywriter good money for this, and wait days to get it. The agent did it in minutes, from one message, with your affiliate link already baked into every button. That is a page you could run ads right away. Not tomorrow or after a week. And every sale points back to you. Yes, this is awesome. You saw the power. The real OpenClaw agent, hosted by Claw Agents AI. Do it for you in just single command from your phone. Now let me show you something even more powerful. That last page sold a product that already exists. But here's the one that changes everything. What if you don't even have a product to sell yet? Same agent, same chat, and I give it the boldest ask yet. To create a completely new product from scratch and a sales page with my PayPal directly wired in, let me give the instruction. Research the best-selling Make Money ebook topics. Write me a full 30-page ebook on the winner. Build a colorful professional PDF with a stunning cover. Then build a vibrant sales page with payment integration. And publish all of it. One message. It first plans and asks me for just 2 things, my payment provider and my name. I give it my PayPal and name and go. And it starts working. First, the research. It ranks the hottest Make Money topics by real demand, then picks the clear winner on its own, AI-powered passive income, the trend with the biggest search demand and the widest appeal. Then it actually writes the book. A complete 30-page ebook titled AI-Powered Passive Income, 7 Income Methods, 11 chapters, 2 appendices, a 50-prompt library bonus, and 5 real case studies with names and numbers. It generates a custom cover, dark navy with a golden neural network design, and wraps the whole thing into a clean professional PDF. And this is what I want you to see. Open the book. It is the real thing. A proper cover, a full table of contents, chapter after chapter written out in detail, real tables, real frameworks, real earning breakdowns. This is not a thin little pamphlet. This is a book someone would happily pay for. Then, it builds the store, a high-converting sales page, live on a real web address, with an animated gradient hero and a glowing book mock-up. A problem section that rolls into 6 solution cards, a bonus stack, testimonials, a stats bar, a 3-step how it works, an FAQ, a money-back guarantee, and a $17 pricing card with the checkout button wired straight to my payment. Awesome, right? I bet no other AI agent tool can do this. Wow! It published both the book and the sales page live. Crazy, right? In one message, you got a product you didn't have to write, a cover you didn't have to design, a sales page you didn't have to build, and a checkout you didn't have to set up. No writer, no designer, no developer, no upfront cost. A finished digital product on the internet, ready to earn while you sleep. That is not a chatbot. That is a business on your phone's Telegram. It's that simple. And here's the best part. Everything you just saw happened inside Telegram. But this worker is not stuck on Telegram. The exact same agent lives on Discord too, right where your team already hangs out. Let me show you. So here we are on Discord. Not a new tool, not a new login, the exact same agent, now living inside a free Discord server where your team already works. Now, I am going to show something even more powerful and awesome stuff. I will let my agent publish directly into my WordPress site. Remember, it's the same agent that we created in Claw Agent app, the exact same agent from the Telegram. Now watch this. I say hi, it welcomes me back, and I hand it one job. Create a premium, animated SEO-friendly review page for AI Talker using my affiliate link, and publish it live to my WordPress site with pros and cons, FAQs, testimonials, and multiple call-to-action buttons. That's it. A simple process of creating a high-converting review post and posting automatically in my WordPress site. A VA would charge easily $50 to $100 per post like these. Let me hit send. It scopes out a clean 5-step plan. Check WordPress, research the product, build the content, create the images, then publish. I tell it WordPress is already connected. Go. And it takes over. First, it connects to my real site, yogashagarwal.io, checks for connection, and then it actually researches AI Talker and pulls the full product picture. A prompt-driven voice design engine, 11 core features, one-time pricing, a commercial license, a 4.9 rating from over 580 reviews. It's not guessing, it read the real product. Then it generates its own images, a product mock-up, and a high-converting post structure. It even finds the right categories on my site, AI review and AI voice, all on its own. I say continue. It uploads the images and it publishes. And there it is. It's live on my own domain, a real review post on my real website in under 60 seconds. Wow, super simple, right? This is the power of Claw Agents AI. So let me open it. Look at this page. A cinematic hero banner, a clear breakdown of what AI Talker is, a pros and cons box, 9 pros against 4 cons, 6 target audiences, 7 key features, each explained in detail, a full competitor comparison table, AI Talker against 11 labs, Murph, side by side. A pricing section that highlights the one-time deal versus $97 a month, 3 testimonials, an FAQ, a final verdict, and call to action buttons, every single one wired to my affiliate link. Even the affiliate disclaimer handled. Now think about that. A complete SEO-ready affiliate review. Researched, written, designed, and published live to your own WordPress site from one message on Discord. Awesome, right? The thing that used to get a writer, a designer, and an afternoon of copy and paste done for you in minutes. Amazing, right? All of those from just a simple prompt. From zero to a completely ready WordPress post. and you automate this to run daily as well for different products. It's this simple? Let me show one more. A real automation from the same agent, and this time it does something wild. It writes a whole email campaign and loads it right into my autoresponder and schedules it. Just watch this. I give it one line. Analyze AI Talker. Write me a persuasive 5-email conversion sequence and schedule it to my Aweber list 01 with a 12-hour gap between each email. That was it. One simple prompt in plain English. It confirms my Aweber list, analyzes the landing page, and gets to work. First, it writes the sequence, and these aren't lazy emails. Look at the angles. All 5 emails are with different angles. Curiosity, social proof, comparison, opportunity, urgency. That's a real copywriter sequence. Amazing, right? And now the part that made me stop cold. It doesn't just hand me the emails. It schedules all 5 itself right into Aweber. 12-hour gaps mapped out across the next few days. Every single link pointing to my affiliate page. Wow. This is what I call as real automation by AI agent, powered by Claw Agents AI. Let me show you. Here's my actual Aweber account. Look at this. There they are, all 5, sitting in my list, scheduled out one after another. Today, tomorrow, and into Monday. Exactly the 12-hour gaps I asked for. This is real automation. Wow. A full launch sequence, written, wired, and scheduled into your real email platform from one message on Discord. The thing that eats a copywriter a full day and you an entire evening of scheduling. Done for you in minutes. That is insane. Imagine doing hours of work in minutes with just one prompt. One more on Discord, and this is the big one, because this time it builds a whole campaign, the website, and the email follow-up from a single message. Watch this. Let me give the prompt. Find the top 5 ClickBank self-help products by Gravity. Build me a premium animated comparison review site with my affiliate links. Then create a high-converting 7-day email sequence and schedule it to my list every 24 hours. That was the entire instruction. It researches ClickBank and pulls the real top 5 by Gravity on its own. The Genius Song, Gravity 84, The Last Wish, Numerologist, Moon Reading, The Memory Wave, Real Products, Real Gravity Scores, Real Payouts. Then it asks for the only 2 things it needs: my ClickBank affiliate ID and which email list to use. I give it Yogesh Affiliate and list 01, and I say go. And then it just builds everything at the same time. The images, the site, and the emails, all at once. First, the website goes live. A warm amber and gold comparison review site, a hero, product cards with floating animations, a full comparison table, testimonials, a 90-day review process, an FAQ, and call to action buttons, every single one loaded with my affiliate hop links. Live, on a real web address. Amazing, right? But it's not done, because it also writes a 7-day email sequence and schedules all 7 into Aweber for me, 24 hours apart. Day after day, a full week of follow-up, all wired to my affiliate links. Wow. Awesome, right? Here's my actual Aweber account. Look at this. There they all are, the whole 7-day sequence, sitting in list 01, scheduled out day by day, exactly like I asked. Wow. Wow. Amazing, right? Now think about what just happened. A researched comparison site and a 7-day email campaign, both built, both wired to your affiliate links, and the emails scheduled into your real autoresponder from one message on Discord. That is an entire affiliate launch, the kind that takes a team a week, done for you in minutes. That is absolutely insane. Same worker, any app you already use. So now you've seen the real power of Claw Agents AI on Telegram and Discord. Your AI agent working right inside a chat on your phone. The exact same experience is also available on WhatsApp, Slack, and Signal. Since they work the same way, I'll skip them for now and show you something even more powerful. Remember what I mentioned at the beginning? Every agent you create automatically comes with its own web chat that's always live. So this same AI agent is already available on the web. No additional setup required. Let me show you. I'll go to My Agents, select the agent I want, and click Open Chat. And there it is, a clean, professionally hosted chat page, ready for anyone to access and start chatting instantly. Here's Ria, live on the web. I say hi, she says hi right back, and I give her one instruction. Find 10 plumbers in Austin, Texas with the weakest social media presence, collect their verified contact details, analyze their online presence, write a personalized sales and growth strategy for each one, and organize it all into a professional spreadsheet report. One message. And look at what she does first. She doesn't just run off blindly. She scopes the whole thing out, lays down a clean 5-step plan, find them, check their social, verify contacts, build the strategies, export the sheet, and even tells me it'll take about 15 to 25 tool calls. She's thinking like a real strategist. I tell her go, find all 10. Now watch her work. She searches Austin, opens each plumber's website, checks their Facebook, their Instagram, their LinkedIn, one by one, then hunts down real phone numbers and contact details for every single business. Then she ranks them, weakest social first, and starts building. And here's the output. A full report, top 10 plumbers scored from weakest to strongest. Plumb and order sitting at the bottom with a 10 out of 100, no Instagram, no LinkedIn, a dead Facebook page, then a clean spreadsheet. Every business with its website, email, phone, and detailed notes. Then 5 custom strategies for each plumber, tailored to their exact gaps. Awesome, right? And then the part that made me stop. She picks the single biggest opportunity herself, A&T Service Plumbing. 368 5-star Yelp reviews, but 0 social presence. And she tells me this is your #1 client. They've got the reputation. They just need someone to bring it to social. Wow! That is a qualified lead handed to you on a plate. And she's still not done. She takes that whole analysis and publishes it as a live, beautifully formatted report on a real web address, key findings, recommendations, the works, ready to send straight to a client. So think about what just happened. From one message, in a browser, with no app, no channel, no setup at all, you got a qualified lead list, a scored spreadsheet, 10 personalized strategies, and a published agency-grade report. That's a local marketing service you could sell for hundreds, done for you, in minutes. That is not a chatbot. That is an entire agency running inside your browser. Wow, amazing, right? This is the real power of Claw Agents AI. And we're still in the same chat, same agent. But watch, because now I'm going to ask her for something completely different. I want a voiceover. I hand her a short SaaS commercial script about Claw Agent AI, and I tell her, make it energetic, professional, a confident male voice with real excitement on the key benefits. One message. And look at this. She doesn't just grab the first voice she finds. She casts it like a pro. She weighs Christopher Neural, that reliable authority news anchor tone, against Guy Neural, the high-energy passion voice, and she decides for herself that Guy Neural is the perfect fit for an excited, energetic SaaS ad. Then she generates it. Here you go, she says. Your voiceover is ready. Listen here.
Claw Agent AI is an all-in-one AI workforce that replaces dozens of business tools with intelligent AI agents that actually get work done. From creating content and websites to finding leads, sending emails, generating images,
A high-energy, passionate male voice with natural excitement and authority, reading my script like a real person who actually loves the product, not a robot reading a spec sheet. And she even tells me why it works, the energetic pacing, the professional but conversational tone, the way the whole thing builds momentum right up to the payoff. Then she offers to try it in a different voice if I want, a deeper news anchor tone, or something more approachable and conversational. Wow, awesome, right? The kind of thing you'd pay a voice artist good money for, or a whole monthly subscription. Done for you in seconds. Amazing, right? We have seen awesome things. Let's get back to app. There is few more things to show you. Awesomeness is not yet done. Moving down to chat sessions, here is where you can see every chat session's actual status, every session's boot time, skills, and LLM model, along with its chat count. If a session is sleeping, then just click on Resume to restart that session, and if it's idle, then you can start chatting with it right away. Just click on Resume, and it will open a nice chat window where you can talk with your agent. And here's a smart touch. Idle sessions sleep on their own to save your credits, then wake up the moment you need them, so you're never paying for an agent that's just sitting there. Next is My Agents. Here you can find all your created agents, and when you click on Open Chat, a new session with a nice chat interface opens, and you can chat with your agent and get work done. Your entire AI agentic team in single window. Under Tools, you see Skills sections. This is where you can see all skills of an agent. We have around 200 ready-made skills, sorted by exactly what your business does. And here's the truth. Every one of these is a job you'd normally hire for or buy a separate app to do. But here it's easy. Just click and assign to an agent. You can also assign multiple skills. Stack as many as you like on a single agent, so one worker wears a dozen hats at once. And if you've got a process that's all your own, you click Create Skill and build a custom one, written your way. So your agent doesn't just sound smart, she works the way you work. Next is MCP servers. This is where entire world opens up for your agent. You can connect any app that provides MCP server, and these days, every popular app provides it. You saw a live example of posting to a WordPress site, scheduling emails in Aweber. All these are done using MCP servers. We have added 14 default tools as well. You can add your favorite app's MCP server by clicking on My MCP server and add MCP server. Just enter the details. That's it. Then assign this to an agent and you are done. Agent can easily communicate with your account in real time, just like how it worked in Auber. And the last one, agency. Now, if you want to make money with this, here's the part you'll love. From the agency panel, you add sub-users and hand out credits. Set their username, their plan, the credits they get, and you're done. Track who's active, what they've used, and stay in full control. One platform, a whole new revenue stream. Okay, stop and think about what you just watched. You watched one sentence find 10 businesses in New York and email them a full pitch from my own Gmail. You watched a 365-day content calendar get built and delivered to a real restaurant. You watched a review site go live with affiliate links inside it, and a 5-part email sequence get scheduled to a real list 12 hours apart without me touching a thing. Nobody edited anything. Nobody coded anything. Every one of those was one plain English sentence, typed from a phone. Now here's the question that actually matters. What happens when that's your phone? Because everything you saw tonight was maybe 10 prompts. You saw 2 pages of skills in there, out of 250 plus. And with MCP servers, you can plug this agent into practically any app you already use, your CRM, your store, your calendar, and let it run those too. What you watch tonight is the floor, not the ceiling. And remember what this is under the hood. This is OpenClaw, the most powerful AI agent on the planet. Now let me clear the doubts in your head, because I know exactly what they are. I'm not technical. You just watch the setup. There isn't one. We host everything. You type a sentence and just get the job done. I can't afford another subscription. It's not one. One payment, unlimited use, 0 API fees, forever. The meter never runs. What if it's not for me? You're covered by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Run the exact prompts you saw tonight. If it doesn't deliver, you pay nothing. So here's what's on the table tonight. For this room only, you get your own cloud-hosted open Claw agent. All 250 plus skills, commanded from Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Signal, Slack, or web chat. Unlimited use, zero API fees. Just one thing you watch tonight. One reputation report, one content calendar, one review site. Sells to a single local client for more than this entire platform costs. Your first client pays for it. Everything after that is profit from work you didn't do. So, you've got two ways to leave this webinar. You can go back to doing all of this by hand tomorrow, the prompting, the building, the posting, the chasing. Or, you can click the button below right now, and tonight, before you sleep, send your first command and wake up to finished work. My friend Rahim is going to walk you through.
Now that you know the basics, let us dive right into what this software can actually do for your business. I have narrowed it down to the 4 biggest highlights so you can see exactly how this automates your daily workload. First up, you get customizable AI employees on demand. You can deploy multiple digital workers at the exact same time, and setting them up takes about 30 seconds. There is no training or hiring required. You just pick a role, name your agent, and let them go to town. Plus, it has LLM power built right inside, so you never have to worry about paying for separate monthly language model subscriptions. The second big thing is the massive library of over 250 pre-made templates. Instead of trying to build an AI from scratch, you can instantly launch ready-to-go workers like a lead finder, sales page writer, email sequencer, or social media manager. They come preloaded with specific business skills, which takes the guesswork out of the entire process. Next, you can run your entire business directly through simple messaging commands. You do not even need to log into a complicated dashboard if you do not want to. You can literally just text your AI agents using Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord, and they will send back finished business assets. It is a massive shortcut compared to standard chatbots, because these workers actually build things like landing page drafts, full campaign plans, and competitor reports from a single text. They have built-in app connectors and agency features to help you scale. The system has a dedicated app connector agent that links your workflow directly to tools you already use like Gmail, Slack, Notion, and Google Drive, so your bots are not trapped in a vacuum. Even better, it includes a commercial license and client-ready templates, meaning you can use these agents to create proposals, content packs, and marketing assets to sell to local clients for a premium. Now, the software also covers a few other areas that are worth mentioning, including smart niche research tools, instant page copy generation, and complete social media campaign scheduling. It really packs a massive punch for one single system. Alright, now we need to talk about the price, and honestly, this is where things get really exciting. The core package, which is the front-end offer, comes with absolutely everything you need to kickstart your automated business today. When you pick up this core offer, you are getting the entire OpenClaw-powered AI workforce system, allowing you to build, write, research, and execute tasks from one single dashboard. You get the multi-channel command center, meaning you can control all your digital employees right from your phone using Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord. It comes with unlimited language model power, so you can generate pages, emails, and workflows without any token stress, and you never have to pay monthly AI fees. Inside this package, you are unlocking specialized digital employees, including an offer hunter, page builder, email writer, social media manager, research assistant, and even a client work expert. These bots come pre-trained with over 250 skills, and you get the done-for-you campaign asset generator to instantly map out copywriting, calendars, and automation plans. On top of that, you get the app-connected system to sync everything with your favorite tools, full cloud dashboard access, beginner-friendly training, and weekly live Q&A support. Best of all, it includes a full agency and monetization license, giving you 100% ownership of your work so you can sell these assets to clients and keep every single penny. It is a massive amount of value packed into one single entry fee. Now, do you want to grab absolutely everything I just talked about for a massively discounted price? If you want to skip the hassle of buying each piece one by one, then you need to look at the special bundle offer. This is by far the biggest shortcut because it packages the entire system together into one single discounted deal. Let us quickly look at what you are getting inside this ultimate package. You get the core front-end offer, which gives you the main OpenClaw-powered AI workforce system and your messaging command centers. On top of that, the bundle includes OTO number 1, the Unlimited Edition, OTO number 2, the Pro Edition, OTO number 3, the Done-for-You Edition, OTO number 4, the Automation Edition, OTO number 5, the Agency Edition, OTO number 6, the AI Talker Edition, and finally, OTO number 7, the AI Studio Edition. You are literally getting every single upgrade, capability, and license we just covered. This bundle gives you the complete tools to run hands-free automation, handle unlimited client workloads, and instantly create high-end multimedia assets like custom voiceovers and videos. Instead of paying full price for every single upgrade later on, the bundle lets you unlock the complete 24/7 digital workforce system instantly while keeping your costs as low as humanly possible. OTO 1, Claw Agents AI Unlimited Edition. This upgrade completely removes all the standard restrictions from the front-end version and gives you the full professional experience. Inside this edition, you get unlimited AI agent creation, unlimited automation workflows, unlimited projects, and unlimited app integrations. You also unlock faster AI processing speeds, advanced AI models, and the power to create unlimited client accounts. It comes with a full commercial license and a simple one-time payment with absolutely no recurring monthly fees, allowing you to handle massive workloads without any platform restrictions. OTO 2, the Pro Edition. This version is packed with professionally prepared AI agents, pre-configured workflows, and ready-to-use business assets across multiple niches. Inside this upgrade, you get fully configured app integrations, launch-ready automation projects, and high-converting templates that require zero technical setup. This saves you hours of configuration work and includes a commercial license so freelancers and agencies can instantly deploy premium AI services and keep 100% of the profits. OTO 3, which is the Done-for-You edition. This package gives you a fully done-for-you account setup with no manual configuration or learning curve required. You get a pre-built AI workforce customized for your offers, pages, emails, and social media, alongside done-for-you integrations for Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord. It also includes pre-installed prompt libraries, pre-built funnels, ready-made social media packs, and app-connected workflows for tools like Gmail and Notion, allowing you to run multiple client systems across different industries from day one. OTO 4, the Automation Edition. This upgrade helps turn your digital workforce into a repeatable, semi-hands-free business system. Inside, you get 50 advanced automation templates and an innovative employee command queue system, which allows you to stack and auto-execute multi-step tasks in sequence. It features hands-free campaign building, automatic follow-up systems for leads, and trigger-based automation scripts that deliver faster output for affiliate, agency, and content businesses. OTO 5, the Claw Agents AI Agency Edition. This upgrade gives you the full commercial rights, client licenses, and delivery systems needed to sell AI automation services as your own profitable business. Depending on your plan, you get between 100 and 500 agency licenses to create and sell client accounts. It includes a complete service delivery system, client-ready proposals, onboarding assets, and a recurring income model setup, all backed by done-for-you technical support, so you can focus entirely on scaling your agency. OTO 6, the AI Talker Edition. This upgrade adds advanced AI voice creation to your workflow, helping you generate human-like voiceovers for ads, videos, presentations, and client campaigns. You can create totally unique AI voices from simple text descriptions across over 30 global languages, complete with emotion control to adjust the intensity of the delivery. It also features a brand studio that turns any website URL into matched scripts, voice cloning capabilities, and studio-level quality checks. OTO 7, the AI Studio Edition. This gives you a complete AI content workspace for creating ads, videos, graphics, voiceovers, and brand-matched marketing assets. You get access to premium tools for AI copywriting, blog writing, sales video script production, and graphic generation. It also includes a website-to-content engine that matches your specific brand voice, plus a full commercial license to easily package and sell these multimedia assets to your clients. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown. To wrap things up, we have covered a massive amount of ground in this review video. We went through exactly how Claw Agents AI works, took a live look inside the dashboard during the demo walkthrough, and broke down the front-end package alongside every single optional upgrade and the massive value bundle deal. The biggest takeaway here is that Claw Agents AI changes the game by giving you active digital workers instead of just static text generators. It takes the stress out of managing an online business by putting a pre-trained, multi-skilled workforce right into your pocket through apps you already use like Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord. If you want to eliminate monthly software fees, scale your daily output, and launch complete marketing campaigns or client services on autopilot, this platform gives you the ultimate shortcut to make it happen. If you are ready to take action and deploy your own automated digital workforce, make sure to check out the link in the description box below right now. That link will give you access to all the product information, full upgrade breakdowns, and the absolute best discount coupons available today. Plus, you will see exactly how to claim my exclusive marketing bonuses that will help you maximize your traffic and results with this software. Go ahead, click the link below, secure your special bundle or front-end offer, and I will see you in the next video.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones. And Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche. Sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
Hi, I am Yogesh Agarwal, and I want you to stop paying voiceover artists hundreds of dollars for something that takes them 20 minutes. Stop settling for those robotic AI voices that make your audience click away in 3 seconds. And stop wasting your entire afternoon switching between 5 different tools just to get one piece of audio out the door. Because what I am about to show you in the next few minutes is going to replace your voice artist, your audio editor, your scriptwriter, and your podcast producer. All of them with one single dashboard. This is AI Talker, and it does not just generate voices from a library like every other tool out there. It lets you design brand new voices that have never existed before, just by describing what you want in plain English. Think about that. You type confident female voice, British accent, warm and authoritative, and in under 60 seconds, that exact voice is created from scratch, not selected from a menu. Created for you. Nobody else in the world has that voice. And the best part? Everything you are about to see comes with completely unlimited usage. Unlimited. Forever. And instead of telling you how good this is, let me just show you. Alright, so this is the AI Talker dashboard. Once you log in, this is your complete voice production headquarters. Before I walk you through each feature, let me tell you what you are looking at. On the left side, you have your navigation. Every tool is one click away. No buried menus, no confusing setup screens. Your credits show unlimited. Your usage limits show unlimited across every feature. And the Quick Actions grid gives you one-click access to all 12 tools. Let me show you each one. The first feature inside Voice Studio is Create Custom Voice. This is the one that makes people stop and say, wait, that is actually possible? This lets you design a completely new, original voice that has never existed before, just by describing it in words. No audio sample needed, just a text description. Here is how it works. The very first thing I do is select the voice type. There are 2 options. Human voice, for crafting realistic, natural-sounding voices perfect for narration, ads, and professional content. I can see quick tags like male voice, female voice, young adult, deep narrator, soft feminine, authoritative male, or fantasy voice, for generating imaginative, character-driven voices for animations, games, and creative projects. Tags here show baby voice, ghost voice, cartoon character, villain voice, fairy tale, robot voice. This tells the AI what kind of voice engine to use before I even start describing. For my first voice, I will select human voice, since I want a professional luxury narrator. On the right, first I will select a category for this voice, professional. Now here in the description, if I do not have one ready, I can just select from these ready-made prompts. News and documentary, add voiceover, audiobook, or animation character. Each one comes with preset tags showing the gender, age, pitch, and pace, plus a description preview. The more detail I give, the better the result. There is a guide button that helps you understand what to include if you are not sure where to start. I can use any of these as a starting point and customize them, or write my own from scratch. I will write my own, a smooth, confident female voice, young to middle-aged, with a soft medium pitch and slow, graceful delivery. Warm, elegant, and sophisticated in tone. Ideal for luxury ads, premium branding, and cinematic storytelling. Below the description, I set the tone, calm, sophisticated, confident, and the style, elegant, cinematic, premium, whatever I am creating this voice for. And the primary use case, luxury ads, product demos. Then there is the test script section. This is the text the AI will use to generate a preview of the voice. Once everything is set, I click Generate Voice. Within seconds, a preview appears on the right side of the screen. If I am not happy, I click Regenerate for a fresh version. Once it sounds right, I click Save Voice. I click the play button to listen.
Some voices are simply different, designed with intention, crafted with precision. Every word perfectly delivered. Because true quality isn't loud, it's felt. Experience AI Talker.
That voice was born from a text description. It never existed before. It is completely original, completely unique, and it belongs to me. I can create as many custom voices as I need, one for each brand, each client, each type of content. No other voiceover tool on the market does this. The ability to describe a voice in plain English and have it created from scratch in under a minute. That is something only AI Talker offers. Once it sounds right, I click Save Voice. When I am ready to use it, I hit the Use Voice button, and it takes me straight into the VoiceOver Creator with this custom voice preloaded and ready to go. But let me really show you the range of what this can do. I am going to create 2 more voices right now. Fast. Baby voice. I go back to create custom voice. This time, I select fantasy voice as the voice type, because a baby voice is a character voice, not a standard human narrator. I type the name, describe it, let me copy-paste my prompt here. This is perfect for children's content. Category, casual, and click on Generate. Let us wait for a few seconds now. Yeah, this is now ready. I click Save Voice.
AI is changing how we communicate. With AI Talker, creating natural, human-like voices becomes incredibly simple.
An AI-generated baby voice. From a text description, this is the power of designing your own voice. Now let me create one more. Let me go to Custom Voices. This time I will go with Fantasy Voice again. Give a name, and let me copy-paste my prompt here. I am creating a fox voice. Now I will just click on Generate and wait for a few seconds. It is generated now.
The future of communication is AI-driven. AI Talker makes it easy to generate voices that sound real and feel human.
A scheming fox with real personality, created from scratch. A baby, a fox, a luxury narrator. 3 completely different voices, all designed from text, all created in under a minute each. The luxury narrator used human voice type. The baby and fox used fantasy voice type. That is the power of Create Custom Voice. And all 3 are now sitting in My Custom Voices, ready to use. Every ready voice has a play button for instant preview. And when I have found the right one, I click Use Voice to jump straight into voiceover creation, with that voice already loaded. Now let me show you what happens once I have my voice selected. Create voiceover is the core feature of AI Talker. This is where any text transforms into natural, human-sounding speech. Give your project a name, then the script section, and this is where the flexibility really shows. I have 5 different ways to get my text in here. Write manually. If I already have a script, I just type it or paste it in. AI generate. If you want to generate from AI, from YouTube, just paste YouTube link, and it extracts and transcribes the audio. Perfect for recreating content in a different voice. From VSL. This pulls scripts directly from my VSL library inside Copy Creator, and from Ad Copy. Same idea, but for ad scripts. Create the copy, then voice it instantly. Now here is a feature that really sets AI Talker apart. Now, choosing a voice. AI Talker has 2 powerful modes, where you have flexibility to add your own emotion tags or let our system decide it. When I toggle emotion tags on, 2 things happen. First, the voice section transforms. I now see a curated set of expressive voices, specifically designed for emotional delivery. Second, a new emotion tags bar appears above my script area. This gives me 8 tags I can insert anywhere in my text. I just click a tag, and it drops right into my script at the cursor position. So, if emotion tag is off, AI reads my script and applies emotion automatically. The emotion tag mode gives me manual control. I decide exactly where the voice laughs, where it sighs, where it gasps. Both are powerful, but emotion voice mode is for when I want precise, custom emotional performance. First, I will show without emotion tags, and then we will see how emotion tags work. Now, let's see voices. This is a massive collection of voices, organized by category. Just select your voice. Now you need to select language from this dropdown. Next, you can add emotion for your voice. It will sound the exact way. Now here is another unique feature of AI Talker, which no other app has. Here you can either select predefined emotions, or you can type in your own emotions. Yes, that's right. Just type your emotions, and it will be applied. You can select from these auto suggestions as well. Then, select a scene mode, based on your requirement. Enable voice consistency to maintain uniform delivery throughout the entire script. And a background music toggle if I want to add music directly during generation. Everything is set. I click Generate Voiceover, or I can save draft to continue later. Now I will click on Generate.
This is how creators are producing content at scale right now. No recording, no camera, just powerful voiceovers created in seconds. With AI Talker, you simply type, and it delivers natural, human-like audio instantly.
That quality is indistinguishable from a human recording, and that took about 30 seconds. A voice artist on Fiverr charges $150 to $300 for this quality, with a 2 to 3 day wait. Here, it is instant and unlimited. Now let me show you the emotion voice mode in action. I'm going to create another voiceover, this time with emotion tags. I toggle emotion voice on. I select a voice. Let us go with Sophia. In my script, I write a short product reveal and drop in some emotion tags. A laugh here, a gasp at the reveal, a sigh at the end. Generate.
Wait till you hear this. This product is a game changer. Couldn't stop smiling when I tried it. And in the end, it just works.
Did you hear that? The voice actually laughed, actually gasped. Those are not sound effects layered on top. The AI performed them naturally inside the narration. That is the difference between AI Talker and everything else out there. AI actually created entire emotions in just seconds, not hours. And I didn't have to record them or pay any expensive freelancers for this. Both voiceovers are now sitting in my voice library. You can see all your voiceovers here and download or preview or delete them from this page. Next, let me show you a feature that takes things to a whole different level. Conversational voice is one of the features that truly makes AI Talker stand out. This creates realistic multi-speaker conversations, podcasts, interviews, dialogues, customer testimonials, with different AI voices playing each role. Just add a title, and then you can either copy-paste or generate from AI or upload your file. It'll just copy-paste my script. Ensure to mark the speakers. Now click on Analyze and Detect Speakers. The AI reads through the entire script, identifies each unique speaker, figures out who is the host and who is the guest, and assigns different AI voices to each one automatically. If I want to swap any of the voice assignments, I can. Full control over the casting. Then I click Generate.
Tried that AI talking tool?
Yeah, it sounds real.
Like human?
Multiple voices, emotions, everything.
That's insane.
Just type, it creates it.
I need this.
Try it, you won't go back.
Listen to that. Two completely different voices, natural back and forth, realistic pauses, and pacing between speakers. That sounds like a real podcast recording with real people in a studio. Nobody was in a studio. Nobody coordinated schedules. Nobody recorded anything. And nobody spent hours editing multiple audio tracks together. All my conversations are saved in My Conversations. Now let me show you something that takes voice creation in a completely different direction. Clone Voice creates a digital replica of any voice, my own voice, a client's voice, a team member's voice, a brand spokesperson, anyone. Once cloned, that voice lives inside the platform, and I can use it on unlimited projects forever. Before using this, ensure you have permission to use. Using this section without permission is not allowed, so let's start. The process has 4 clear steps. Step 1. Just give a name, description, add script, and then I choose the quality level. There are 3 quality tiers. Standard gives me good quality with faster processing. Premium gives me high quality. And Studio gives me the absolute best quality available. There is also a Make Public toggle. If I turn this on, other users on the platform can access and use my cloned voice. I will keep it private for now. Step 2. Audio. This is where I upload a sample of the voice I want to clone, or I can record by clicking on Record here. Just 30 seconds of voice is enough. Ensure it is very clear. The cleaner the sample, the better the clone will sound. So let me upload a voice sample. Let me first play the original so you can hear what the real voice sounds like.
An Avatar was almost done, and they were complaining about the flying scenes. Why does this flying scene go on so long? You've already proved the point. It doesn't advance the narrative. It doesn't advance the character. I said, you're right on every count.
That is the original human recording. Now, let us see what AI Talker does with it. Step 3. Training. This is where the AI does its deep analysis. It studies every characteristic of the voice sample. The pitch, the rhythm, the pace, the tone, the unique qualities and mannerisms that make this particular voice distinct from every other voice in the world. This usually takes just a few minutes. Step 4. Complete. The cloned voice is ready.
AI Talker simplifies voice creation. No recording, no setup, just type and generate expressive human-like voices instantly.
From this point forward, I can use this cloned voice in any voiceover project. I can change the script to absolutely anything. I can adjust the emotion from happy to serious to excited to calm. I can switch scene modes from sales to podcast to documentary, and the voice stays perfectly consistent every single time. It always sounds like the same person. All my clones live in My Clones, a dedicated library of created clones. Now let me show you a feature that might be the most powerful thing in the entire platform. Brand Studio is where AI Talker stops being just a voice tool and becomes a complete content production engine. This single feature replaces a copywriter, a brand strategist, and a voice artist, all at once with one URL. Here is how it works. I open Brand Studio, click New Brand Project, and I see one input field. Enter your website or sales page URL. That is the only thing I need to provide. I paste my URL and click Analyze. Now I watch the AI work through 3 steps. Step 1. Scanning website. The AI reads through the entire website, pulling all the content, messaging, and positioning. Step 2. Analyzing brand DNA. It identifies the voice, the tone, and the personality of the brand. It figures out who the audience is and how the brand should communicate. Step 3. Crafting VSL script. It writes a complete video sales letter based on everything it learned from the website. This entire process, a brand strategist, a copywriter, and hours of research. The AI does it all in about a minute, and here is what it creates. First, a complete brand analysis. The AI identified the website type, the emotion tone of the copy, plus a content summary that accurately describes what the brand does and who it serves, all from the URL alone. Second, a brand voice prompt. This is like a creative direction sheet for a voice actor. It defines the speaker style and gives detailed voice direction, everything in a prompt. Third, a full VSL script with hook, body, call to action, and the complete combined script. All written specifically for this brand. Every single piece is editable. I can modify any section before generating. Then I click Generate Brand Voiceover. The AI takes the entire script, applies the brand voice direction, and creates a professional voiceover.
What if I told you there's a technology so revolutionary, it lets you design voices that have never existed before? Not clone, not copy, but create completely unique, human-like voices from scratch in seconds.
From a URL to a fully written, fully voiced brand video in about 2 minutes. If I hired a copywriter for that script, $500 or more. A voice artist to record it, another $200 or more. Wait time, 5 to 7 days. I just did the entire thing in 2 minutes, and I can repeat it for every client, every product, every sales page I have. All brand projects are saved in Brand Projects, where I can manage, replay, and download them anytime. Now let me show you the content creation side of AI Talker. Copy Creator is the built-in scriptwriting engine. It has 2 tools, VSL Copy for video sales letter scripts and Ad Copy for advertisements. Let me start with VSL Copy. I click Create VSL Copy. On the left, I fill in my product details, the product name and the sales page URL, so the AI actually reads my sales page to understand what I am selling. Then I choose a framework. Here we have over 30 plus proven framework. Just select one from that. Next, I select the emotion that will drive the entire script. 10 options. Select one based on your needs. Then I set the tone from the drop-down. You can set as per requirement. I click Generate VSL Script, and the AI works through 5 steps. Analyzing product details, crafting a compelling hook, writing the persuasive body, creating a powerful call to action, and polishing the final script. I can watch the progress in real time. When it finishes, I get not 1, but 3 complete variations. Variation 1, Variation 2, and Variation 3. Each one takes a different angle on the same product, but with same framework. I can compare them side by side and pick the strongest. I can also regenerate any individual variation for a fresh take without losing the others. Now you can save it or create a voice over directly for this script by clicking on Create VoiceOver button. You can find all your scripts in VSL Library. Next, let me show you the ad copy side. Create Ad Copy generates high-converting advertisement scripts, and it is even more powerful than you might expect. First, look at the platform tabs across the top. The AI does not write generic ad copy that I paste everywhere. It writes copy specifically optimized for each platform, following each platform's best practices, character limits, and formatting standards. Here, just enter your product name, your sales page, and select your ad style from these. We have over 20 plus proven frameworks and click on Generate. When it is done, I get 3 variations. Each one takes a different angle. And look at what each variation includes. And just like with VSL copy, 2 buttons at the bottom. Save this version and turn into VoiceOver. 1 click sends the ad copy directly into the VoiceOver creator. Now let me show you something for anyone who has written content. Books, courses, guides, and spent over $300 plus per VoiceOver. Audiobook Creator takes any ebook or written content and turns it into a professionally narrated audiobook. If you have ever published an ebook, created a course, or written a guide, this feature instantly doubles the reach of that content by giving it an audio version. The process is straightforward. I click Create Audiobook and upload my file. PDF, EPUB, or plain text all work. Then I choose a narrator voice. These are voices specifically designed for long-form narration. Smooth, consistent, and comfortable to listen to for extended periods. I select the language and click Generate. The AI reads through the entire book and narrates it in the voice I selected.
From the Casebook of Sherlock Holmes, as recorded by Dr. Watson. It has long been my observation that the smallest details often reveal the greatest truths. Where others see coincidence, Holmes sees pattern. Where others dismiss, he investigates.
Now let me show you how to actually make money with everything I have shown so far. The Freelancer Hub is what turns AI Talker from a content creation tool into an income-generating business. This is where the money side lives. First, Job Finder. I click into it and search for voiceover jobs. Instantly, I see real job listings from across the internet. People and businesses looking for voiceover work right now. $200, $300, $500, some even $800. This is not hypothetical demand. These are real postings from real people willing to pay this money today. So now you got the jobs. Next problem is writing a convincing proposal. We have solved this problem as well. Just click on Create Proposal, and it creates an irresistible proposal based on job description. So your success rate is way higher than others. Easy win and easy money without spending any money or efforts. Just copy, paste, and submit. With AI Talker, I can deliver this work in minutes instead of hours. The AI creates the voiceover. I deliver the file. I collect the payment. Higher margins. Faster turnaround. Happier clients. Next, Gig Creator. This is for anyone who wants to sell voiceover services on Fiverr or any other gig sites but does not know how to write a professional listing. I describe the service I want to offer. Something like professional AI voiceover services for commercials, explainer videos, podcasts, and brand content, multiple voice styles, fast turnaround. I click Generate Fiverr Gig, and the AI writes a complete optimized listing. Professional title, compelling description, proper keyword placement, pricing suggestions. Ready to copy and paste directly into Fiverr. I could have a live gig accepting orders within seconds. Yay, seconds. Now think about the math. I land just 3 voiceover clients per week. Each one pays me $300. That is $900 per week. $3,600 per month. And what does each job actually cost me? Nothing. AI Talker does the work. I collect the payment. Next, let me show you a feature that works in the opposite direction from everything we have seen. Everything so far has been about turning text into voice. Transcribe flips that. It turns voice into text. Here, just add your title, give a YouTube URL, or upload a video, select your format, and click on Start Transcription. System will automatically transcribe and give you in the selected format. You can see that here. Now let me show you how to scale all of this beyond just yourself. Everything I have shown you so far works incredibly well for solo creators and freelancers. But what if I want to scale? What if I want to run a full voice production agency? That is what the agency feature is built for. Here is how it works. I click into agency and I see my team management dashboard. I click to add a new sub-user. I enter their username and password, credits, and click Create. That person now has their own separate login to AI Talker. It will use same parent account. One more feature to show you, and this one tie everything together. Audio Mixer is where you can customize and merge multiple audios here. Just give a name, select from your created voiceovers, click drag to arrange them, add background music, set volumes, enable auto music ducking you need. It's one of our unique feature. And then click on Generate Mix. That's it. The AI combines the voiceover and music, applies the volume settings and auto ducking, and creates the final polished audio. And that brings us to the end of the platform walkthrough. Now before I close, let me tell you something. This voice you have been hearing, this is not me. I designed this voice inside AI Talker, typed a description, hit generate, and this entire demo is running on it. You have been listening to the proof this whole time. This is not something you buy and forget. You just experienced it. So let me pull everything together, because I want you to understand exactly what you are walking away from if you leave this page. You watched me create custom voices from scratch in under 60 seconds. Clone a voice from a 30-second sample. Paste a single URL and get a full VSL script and professional voiceover in 2 minutes. Create a podcast with multiple speakers. Generate ad copy for 6 platforms. Turn an ebook into a narrated audiobook. And mix everything with broadcast quality auto ducking. What would all of this cost? A voice artist, a copywriter, a brand strategist, a podcast producer, an audio engineer, a transcription service. You are looking at $2,000 to $5,000 every single month. That is $24,000 to $60,000 a year. Or you get everything inside AI Talker, and you are not just saving money, you are making it. Real voiceover jobs paying $200, $300, $500, $800, posted right now. Land one client at $300 and your entire year is paid for. Everything after that is pure profit. Full commercial rights on everything you create. 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So do not sit on this. This is Yogesh Agarwal. I will see you on the inside. Moving over to Rahim now. Hi, I'm Yogesh Agarwal, and if you're currently paying for separate tools for content writing, video creation, voiceovers, graphic design, SEO, and ad copy, and still spending hours doing everything manually, what I'm about to show you will make all of that obsolete. Right now, most creators and marketers are juggling 5, 10, sometimes 15 different tools just to run their business. That's hundreds of dollars a month in subscriptions, hours wasted switching between platforms, and content that still doesn't feel consistent or on brand. What if one single dashboard could replace all of that? This is Clever AI Studio, 300 plus AI-powered tools for content, video, voiceovers, design, SEO, ads, and marketing, all working together under one roof. But here's what truly makes this different from anything else out there. Most AI tools make you do all the heavy lifting. You write the prompts, you fill in every detail, you figure out what to say. Clever AI Studio flips that completely. You train a personal AI agent on your business, your product, your audience, your brand voice. And from that moment on, the AI already knows what to write, who to write it for, and how to say it. You don't prompt, you don't fill forms, you just click generate and get content that's actually tailored to your business. No other platform does this. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how this works. And by the end, you'll see how Clever AI Studio can do in minutes what currently takes you hours and hundreds of dollars in tools. Let's start by creating your first AI agent. To begin, we create a new project. Think of every project as its own AI agent, fully trained on your data. From the left menu, I click AI Agent. Select Create AI Agent and enter my project name, Demo01. Next, we choose the source type. Clever AI Studio lets you train your agent using either a website URL or a Google Doc. I'm selecting website URL and pasting my sales page link. Then I click Generate. Clever AI Studio instantly extracts every important detail, product information, features, benefits, and audience, and organizes it for you. With one click on Train AI, your personal AI agent is ready. After training, this AI agent uses everything it learned across all tools inside the platform, generating content, scripts, marketing materials, and AI-powered outputs specifically tailored to your business. All your projects are organized in the AI agent list, making them easy to manage, view, copy, or delete anytime. Next, let's head to the Tools section. Clever AI Studio gives you access to 300+ powerful AI tools. You can open them directly from the Tools menu or access them category-wise from the sidebar. Keep in mind, what you see in the sidebar are just quick access favorites. The full library of 300+ tools lives inside the Tools menu and the AI Content Generator. Let me open Copywriting Studio from the sidebar because this is where the AI agent really shines. Inside Copywriting Studio, you have everything: blog posts, sales pages, email copy, video scripts, product descriptions, and dozens more. Let's start with the AI Content Generator. This tool uses custom prompts powered by AI, and all the required data for those prompts is automatically generated from your trained AI agent. First, enter a name. For this demo, I'll enter AI Content Generator Test. Next, select the project you created earlier. In our case, that's Demo 01. Select it from the drop-down and click Next. Now I choose the content type. Here you'll find all 300+ content tools. Just type what you need and select it. For this demo, I'm selecting TikTok Video Script Writer. Now pay close attention, because this is what separates Clever AI Studio from every other AI tool on the market. You see all these fields: topic, goal, audience, duration, script style, tone of voice, key message, hook type, call to action. In most tools, you would have to fill all of this manually. But here, your trained AI agent has already done it. Every single field is filled automatically from your business data. You literally just click Generate. Choose your language, tone of voice, and quality type, and hit Generate Content. And boom! A complete TikTok video script, generated in seconds and tailored to your product. And this is just one of 300+ tools. You can copy the content, use it anywhere, or save it as a draft. Saved drafts will appear in the list section, so you can access and reuse them anytime in the future. Now here's something copywriters and marketers will love. Inside the AI Content Generator, we also have powerful copywriting frameworks built in, like StorySolve Sales Page Framework, Solution Saving Social Proof Sales Page Framework, and lot more. Let me show you Pain Agitate Relief. The workflow is exactly the same. Select your project, choose Pain Agitate Relief from the content types, and the AI agent fills everything automatically. One click, and you get professionally structured copy using a proven persuasion framework, and it doesn't stop there. You also get frameworks like ADA, PAS, Before-After Bridge, Feature Advantage Benefit, and more. Every framework follows the same simple process. Select, let the AI agent fill the details, and generate. Professional copywriting frameworks, ready to use instantly. Let's go rapid fire with Facebook ad headlines. Enter your project name, select your AI agent, and type Facebook, then select Facebook ad headlines. Now again, our AI agent will fill everything for you based on your data. You just need to click Generate. Scroll-stopping Facebook headlines appear instantly. You can copy them or save them to your list section. Every tool in Copywriting Studio follows this same simple flow. Now let me show you something that will really put this into perspective. I gave the exact same task to ChatGPT and to Clever AI Studio. Look at the difference. First, Facebook ads. On the left, ChatGPT gives you generic, bland ad copy, basic headlines, weak body text, a learn more CTA. On the right, Clever AI Studio generates 3 strategic variations: fear-based urgency, desire-based aspiration, and curiosity-driven social proof, each with psychological hooks, emotional triggers, and conversion-optimized CTAs built in. Same thing with promotional emails. ChatGPT writes a flat, informational email that reads like a Wikipedia article. Clever AI Studio writes a persuasive sales email with a curiosity-driven subject line, emotional storytelling, authority positioning, risk reversal, and a strong closing CTA. This is the difference between a generic AI tool and an AI that's actually built to convert. Now let me show you something even more exciting. The Video Studio is packed with powerful tools. Text to video, image to video, AI Shorts Creator, face swaps, video upscaling, and even a complete YouTube video generator. Let's start with AI Image to Video. This tool turns a single static image into a dynamic animated video using AI-powered motion. I'll enter my project name, choose the orientation, and upload my image. Now upload your initial image. I am uploading this image. Next comes the prompt. This is where you describe how you want the image to move. I've prepared one already, but you can also use our prompt enhancer to generate the perfect prompt. You can describe camera zoom, walking motion, background animation, cinematic lighting, and much more. Click Generate. In moments, AI transforms the still image into a smooth motion video. On the right side, click View List. From here, you can download the video or access it anytime from the View List section. Let me quickly show you a few more outputs I created earlier. I'll click Edit on each one in the list section so you can see the prompt, input, and output. First one, here's the prompt, input image, and the final video. Second one, different prompt, different image, completely different result. Third one, look at this. And fourth, same tool, endless creative possibilities. This tool is perfect for creating social media animations, product videos, and ad creatives, all from a single image. No animation skills needed. Fast, creative, and incredibly powerful. Now here's where it gets cinematic. AI Scene Maker combines two different images into one smooth transformation video. I'll enter a name and choose orientation, and upload two images for creating transformation scene. Scene 1 shows a car parked on a city street. Scene 2 shows a giant robot. In the prompt, I describe a cinematic transformation, the car vibrating, mechanical parts shifting, glowing energy appearing, and finally transforming into a massive humanoid robot. Now, I am uploading both images, and click Generate Video. Two images, one prompt, a cinematic transformation video. No VFX software, no editing timeline. That's the kind of power we're talking about. Let me quickly show you 4 more outputs from the list. I'll click Edit on each so you can see the 2 input images, the prompt, and the final transformation. First, look at this transformation. Second, completely different style. Third, check this one out. And fourth, cinematic quality every single time. Now let's move to another exciting section, Art and Image Studio. This is a powerful creative AI workspace built to generate, transform, and enhance images and art styles effortlessly. Let me show you a tool that completely changes how you think about branding. AI Brander instantly applies your branding to products, packaging, and merchandise using AI. Upload image 1, your base product. This could be a t-shirt, bottle, box, gadget, billboard, or shopping bag. I'm uploading this can image. Next, upload image 2, your branding asset. This could be your logo, artwork, or label design. Now add your prompt. For example, create a bold energy drink packaging design using image 2 branding, metallic texture, dynamic lightning graphics, sporty typography, realistic condensation drops, high-end commercial product photography. Click Generate. AI creates a high-quality branded product mockup by combining your base product and branding asset, merchandise, packaging, apparel, and e-commerce previews. 4 more quick outputs from the list. Each one shows the base product, the branding asset, the prompt, and the final mockup. the kind of results that would normally take a designer hours done in seconds. Next, let's see AI Avatar Generator in action. This creates different avatar images from your initial image with just prompt. Enter a project name and add your prompt. You can write your own prompt or choose from the sample prompts. Upload the image you want to transform. Click Generate. Within seconds, you get a fully redesigned AI avatar based on your style and instructions. Check the results in the List section. You can download the image, edit the prompt, or generate new variations anytime. Professional avatars, created instantly. Few more from the list: original photo, prompt, and the AI-generated avatar. Just by changing the prompt, you get a completely different transformation every time. The Art and Image Studio contains over 16 AI tools, all following the same intuitive workflow. Now here's a feature that alone could replace hiring a professional scriptwriter. The VSL Script Creator, VSL, Video Sales Letter, is the engine behind every high-converting sales video. And now, Clever AI Studio writes them for you. Just enter your product name, paste your sales page link, and choose your settings. First, pick your VSL style. You get Problem Agitate Solve, Hook Story Offer, AIDA, Before After Bridge, and Pattern Interrupt Formula, and 50 more frameworks. All proven frameworks used by top copywriters. Next, choose the emotion you want to trigger. Urgency, curiosity, hope, trust, fear, and many more. I am selecting urgency. Then set your tone: bold, friendly, casual, professional, or energetic. Click Generate VSL Script. And just like that, a complete, ready-to-record video sales letter script written in the exact style, emotion, and tone you selected. All your generated scripts are saved in the VSL script list, easy to view, manage, or create new ones anytime. This is the kind of tool people pay copywriters hundreds or even thousands of dollars for. You get it built right into your dashboard. The VoiceOver Studio is a complete AI audio production kit. It includes text-to-speech, voice cloning, music generation, dubbing, sound effects, and much more. Let's start with text-to-speech. Enter your project name, paste or type your text. Choose model and select your language. Click Generate Audio. Within seconds, your voiceover is ready. After generation, head over to the List section. From here, you can edit text, download, delete voiceover. Let's play voiceover.
Clever AI Studio is an all-in-one platform that helps you create content, images, videos, voiceovers, and designs using powerful AI tools. Instead of using many different apps, Clever AI Studio brings everything together in one easy place.
Natural, professional audio quality, ready for videos, ads, or presentations. No microphone required. Now this one will really impress you. AI Voice Cloner generates realistic speech using a reference voice. Enter your project name, add the text you want spoken, and upload a reference audio file. The voice the AI will clone. For best results, keep the sample clear and under 30 seconds. First, let's play the reference voice sample.
If anything kills over 10 million people in the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than a war. Not missiles, but microbes.
Now click Generate Audio. Let's play the AI-generated cloned voice.
Clever AI Studio is a powerful AI platform that helps you create digital content faster and easier. It combines many advanced AI tools into one place, so you can write, design, generate images, create videos, and produce voiceovers without needing special skills.
As you can hear, the AI replicates the tone, pitch, and speaking style very closely to the original voice, perfect for personalized voiceovers, brand voices, or character narration. VoiceOver Studio also includes tools for music generation, sound effects, dubbing, voice transformation, emotions, and multilingual support, all using the same simple workflow. Studio quality audio with zero equipment needed. So let's take a step back and look at what you just saw. In the last few minutes, you watched one single dashboard create TikTok scripts, copywriting frameworks, Facebook ad headlines, AI-powered videos, cinematic scene transformations, branded product mock-ups, professional avatars, studio-quality voiceovers, and cloned voices. Each of these would normally require a separate tool, each with its own subscription, learning curve, and limitations. We're talking $300 to $500 per month if you tried to piece this together yourself. And even then, none of those tools would truly understand your business. That's the real power of Clever AI Studio. It doesn't just give you tools, it gives you a trained AI agent that works like a team member who already understands your business. And what you saw today is just a fraction of what's inside. There's a marketing suite, a PPC toolkit, SEO studio, interior design AI, drag and drop design studio, background removal, agency user management, and much more waiting for you. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, agency owner, or entrepreneur, this gives you the unfair advantage to produce in minutes what others take hours to create. Now let me show you exactly how you can get access to everything you just saw and the special deal we've put together for you today.